find ourselves starting from scratch, brick by brick.
My name is Maurice Obuya, and I'm an Indigenous ecosystem rights activist. So I do focus on restoration of Indigenous ecosystems, mostly for food production, and also for restoring the natural environment that has been destroyed. We have more than 400 Indigenous ecosystems which are self-sustaining. We don't do water, we weed very minimally, but we just plant different layers, many layers of different types of crops, and they sustain themselves. And that's exactly what we are teaching people to do. So today we are having 10 people from Uganda and 10 people from Kenya, thanks to Planeta Sano for bringing their people and for having trust in us to train their people. Or transformational education